How to use vertical tabs in Chrome. To get started, you'll need to install an extension. Open Chrome and go to the search bar, then type Chrome Web Store and click on it. Once the store opens, use the search bar to type Vertical Tabs in Panel and press Enter. Find the extension with that exact name, then click Add to Chrome and confirm the installation. Once it's added, you'll see its icon appear near the address bar, indicating it's ready to use. To open the Vertical Tab sidebar, you can either click the extension icon or use the keyboard shortcut Alt-V. If the shortcut doesn't work, simply click the extension icon to open it. In the sidebar, you'll see all your open tabs listed vertically with titles and favicons, making them much easier to scan. Managing tabs in this view is simple. Single-click a tab to switch to it instantly, great for multitasking. Double-click a tab to close it, so be careful not to mix the two actions. You can also right-click any tab to access useful options, like Pin to keep important tabs fixed, Duplicate to open a second copy of a page for comparison. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more quick tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.